Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul and I found some really cute Valentine stuff. Now my Dollar Trees have not gotten out a whole lot of Valentine's decor, which I mean is okay because I don't really decorate a lot for Valentine's Day. It's not my favorite, but I do put out a few things here and there. Well, today, this is Wednesday when I'm filming this. I had to go to Branson. I live in Missouri, so I had to go to Branson, Missouri, which is about a 45-minute drive from where I live. But while I was there, I went to one of the Dollar Trees there, and I found some really cool things. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So, and this is in no particular order, but so the first things that I found is these. They're calling these Decor. You get 24 in here, and they are just these glittery foam hearts, which I think are really, really pretty, and I can do, you know, all kinds of decor or, I don't know, DIYs or whatever with these. So I thought I'd get them. I got these mainly for wreaths. So I like to, when I'm making wreaths, to add, usually Dollar Tree carries the vase fillers that are these little foam glitter balls. But these are similar to that. They're just heart-shaped, and you don't get as many in here. But that's okay. So I went ahead and I grabbed 2 packages of these. I think they had some of these in pink, but I'm not real big on pink, so I just grabbed the red ones. Now, this Dollar Tree in Branson was, the prices are $1.25 there now. The last time I went to Dollar Tree was not in Branson, it was in Springfield, and they were still $1. So, but I haven't been in probably, I don't know, it's been probably 2 weeks since I've been to a Dollar Tree in Springfield. So they could have already raised their prices to $1.25, I'm not sure. But so these were $1.25 a piece, which I'm not real happy about, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. So the next things that I picked up were these felt rolls. This is by Crafter Square. They are 11.75 inch by 48 inch. And I just grabbed 2 of the red ones. I'm thinking about trying to make the little felt roses out of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough, but I thought I'd try it just to see. If I need more, then I will probably just go get some red felt, you know, a bigger section or a bigger part of felt, because I don't know if 11.75 inches will be enough to make as many roses as I'm wanting to make. But anyway, I'm going to see. It may not even work out. It may not work out at all for me. So anyway, I found these, and I think they had these last year, but I was never able to get these last year. So since this store had them, I went ahead and grabbed them. And they are the felt flowers. So like I was saying, I got the felt to make some roses similar to this. But I'm sorry, there's 4 in here, and at $1.25, I don't feel like that is a very good deal. I don't know. I could be wrong. I've never priced felt flowers anywhere else. So, I mean, $1.25 might be a really good deal. I don't know. So, anyway, I grabbed just 2 packages of these, and these were, you do get 4 in here. And they did have some pink ones, but I didn't want pink. I was hoping to find white, but I couldn't find any white, so I don't even know if they carry white. But anyway, I was happy to find these, so I did just grab 2 of those. Okay, so moving on to the next bag here. I'm sorry about the crinkling, but I just got back, so I wanted to get this haul done and filmed for you guys. So I found these, and I think these are really, really cool. They are the Jumbo Craft Hearts. I think these are so cool. And $1.25 really isn't, I guess, too bad for foam, for styrofoam. It's, yeah, I'd say $1.25 is all right. So I did grab 2 of these. Now these are just really, really huge I don't know, they look like fluffy pillows or something. But there's so many things that you can do with these. So I did grab 2 of these just to see if I can come up with some sort of a DIY or something to do with them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. But anyway, I thought these were really cool. So I did grab 2 of those. Okay, so I have never seen these at my Dollar Trees before. This is the Artificial Fern. It's by Floral Garden. And they come in a bag like this, which I think is really cool. You get 2, let's see, how many stems do you get in here? 1, 2, 3, there's like 4 stems in here of, these are artificial ferns. So I don't know, I thought these were really cool, so I thought I'd go ahead and grab a couple of these. Like I said, I like to make wreaths and things like that, so these always come in handy when I'm making wreaths. So I thought this might be, you know, a nice touch for maybe a spring wreath or a summer wreath or something. So I did grab 2 of those. And $1.25 for florals is a really good deal because florals can get very expensive. So I'm going to go ahead and reach them in here. Sorry again about the rustling. But Dollar Tree had these velvet roses is what they're calling them. Now I did feel them, and I mean, they don't really feel like velvet, but I like these because to me these look so realistic. So I did grab 3 bunches of these. You do get, I don't know, there's several in here. Let's see, there's 3. So you get 3 roses on a stem plus some baby's breath. So I'll go ahead and just pull this plastic down so that you guys can kind of see a better look at what these look like. But these to me look so realistic. Now they did have some roses that were just a single stem, and they did look pretty real because the stem on them had like thorns or whatever on them, which was really cool. But for $1.25, I thought was too much. So I didn't get those. I just decided to go ahead and grab 3 bunches of these, which these are really, really pretty. I thought I might do some sort of floral arrangement or something like that with those. So I have been on the hunt for these because I think that, I'm sorry, bending down, sorry. They had these, I think, last year. And my Dollar Trees never carried them. So, but I did see other DT haulers haul these in their hauls. So I was so surprised when I seen these. And this was the only colors that they have. I don't know if they had any other colors, but the yellow and this sort of dusty rose color was all they had. But these they're like mini roses. They are roses, but these are really, really pretty. The only downside is that these are very plastic. I mean, I don't know. You wouldn't, I mean, from a distance, they look real. But when you get up close, then you can tell it's obviously fake. But they are really pretty though. So I did grab 2 bunches of the yellow ones, I believe. Yeah. So I grabbed 2 of the yellow little roses. And then 2 of this sort of, I don't know, it's sort of a pinky purpley color. So I think it's really, really pretty. And I thought these would look really nice in a floral arrangement for spring, or maybe a wreath, like an Easter wreath or a spring wreath or Mother's Day, whatever. But I thought these were really, really pretty. So I did grab those. Okay, I'm going to bend down again, or bring the bag up to me maybe. Okay, so you guys, I have been on the hunt for this too. So I guess you'd call this a wish list item also. But I seen people hauling these, I think it was last year. And I was so jealous because my stores never carried anything like this before. So anyway, when I found it at the Branson location, I was excited. So it's this coffee mug, and if you've been with me on my channel for a while, then you know I love coffee mugs. I'm obsessed. And I also love bees. So I seen this one, it says be kind. Has a little bee on there with some little honeycomb, which I think is so cute. And it's also printed that way on the back. So anyway, I think this is really cute. The only thing that I really see, like the only kind of flaw that I see, which really isn't that big of a deal, but you can kind of see here where the paint is kind of dripped. So, you know, it's not perfect, but that's okay. I still love it, and I don't know, I'll be happy to drink my coffee or my tea or whatever out of this. So I think this was so cute, and I was so excited that I found it. So I went ahead and grabbed that one. I didn't see any other kind of bee-themed glasses or cups or anything. Okay, so I'll go ahead and dig down in here. So I needed to go ahead and get some of these disposable face masks. Normally I wear a cloth mask, and my husband has a doctor's appointment coming up, and his doctor's office notified us that they were not going to let patients wear cloth masks any longer, so that we had to wear the actual, I guess, surgical mask or whatever. So I don't know if these are going to work, if this is what they're wanting us to wear or not. I guess we'll find out when I get there. So I did buy one package of these. If these don't work, I think they said they would give us some if we didn't have any. So I don't know. Don't know if that's going to work or not, but we'll see. Okay, so I found this. This is really cool. It's by Voila, which I think Voila is a name brand. I think you can find Voila in Walmart. But this is the icing comb set. You get 3 pieces in here. And this is for, you know, icing a cake. Now, I used to work in a bakery where they made cakes. And the cake decorators used these. So I thought these were really cool, and I learned a lot working there, so I kind of know a little bit about how to decorate cakes. But on the back, it does show you, you know, directions, or shows you what you can do with it. So I thought that was really cool, so I did grab one of those. They also had, I can reach down in here, this, which I thought was really, really cool. Let me grab that out there. And this is also by Voila, and it's a cake spatula. I don't have a cake spatula, so I thought I'd go ahead and grab one of these. But I thought that was really, really cool too. So I did just get one of those, and this was the only size. And I don't know if they have bigger sizes of these at Dollar Tree, but the Dollar Tree I went to only had this one little one. So I grabbed one of those, and then... Sorry about that again, I'm reaching down in here. I think that was all the cake decorating. Now they did have like tips, cake decorating tips, but they didn't have the bags. So I just left those there, I didn't get them. I have some cake decorating tips, so I didn't really need them. Okay, trying to reach down in here, guys. I'm real sorry about the rattling, but so I was in the little section with beauty and all that, and I came across these. So these are called fingers, I guess, edge nail strips. You get 22 decals in here. I thought these were really cool. Now I've used something kind of like this before. What is that nail thing? This is what they sell. They sell these. I can't remember what it's called because it's been so long ago since I've used them. But I kind of liked them. They were really handy for if you didn't have time to like paint your fingernails and let the nail polish dry. This is really quick. Just put it on there and you can go. So anyway, I thought this was really, really pretty. I love the black and white pattern there. If I can turn it this way, maybe you guys can see it a little better. So that was really cool. And then they had this one, which has butterflies on it. If I can hold it where you guys can see it. My camera doesn't really focus when it's on this setting anyway, but so this one has little butterflies on it. From a distance, it kind of just looks like, I don't know, a paisley print, but it is really, really pretty. So I did grab one of each of these. They did have some that had some different patterns and things like that, but they were really, really wild. So I thought I'd just go ahead and grab these and see if I liked them or not. I'm not real sure You know, like I said, they come in handy in a pinch if you really need to get your nails done, which I've been thinking. I may go and get my nails done at a nail salon. I haven't had my nails done at a nail salon, like professionally done, since, I don't know, it's probably been 20 years. I think I was in my 20s. I'm 45 now. So I had a really bad experience the first time I got my nails done. So it has kind of scared me away from going and getting my nails done again. So usually I just do them at home. I just buy the Kiss artificial nails from Walmart and put them on, and, you know, that's good enough for me. But I've noticed here lately when I wear those, they don't last as long. They're always popping off. It's getting to, you know, it gets to be kind of annoying. So, I don't know. I may go ahead and make me an appointment and get my nails done. I don't know. We'll have to see. But, so also while I was in that little beauty care section, I found these. This is the Wet n Wild, and it's the Color Icon eyeshadow palette. And this one is the Poster Child, I guess is the name of it. So, Poster Child. But it's got some kind of bright colors on there. And I thought this is really cool because I don't really have anything with that kind of... I definitely don't have a yellow in my makeup collection. But I thought that was really cool. So I did go ahead and grab that. And for $1.25, that is a really good deal because Wet n Wild is name brand. And it would cost you more than $1.25 at Walmart or Target or wherever. So anyway, I thought that was a good find. So I went ahead and grabbed that. And then I think I have 3 more things left. So I went ahead and grabbed some of these. These are the faux pearl beads. You get 40 in here. These are the larger ones though. They are the 0.55 inch in diameter, which I don't think I've ever seen this large of pearls at my Dollar Tree. I have some pearls that I purchased from Dollar Tree. They are a little smaller than this though. So I've never seen the larger ones. So I did go ahead and grab these. These come in handy for DIYs or whatever. So I did go ahead and just grab 1 pack of those. And then the last 2 things that I found is also a wish list item, is this. This is the mop and broom holder by Essentials. And now I don't know how well these are going to be, you know, how they're going to hold your mops and brooms and all that. I don't know how well it's going to work. I do have one that I purchased from, I believe it was Lowe's, that I love, but my garage needs something to hold our garage broom and dustpan and stuff out there. So I thought I'd go ahead and grab these and try it. I did only grab 2 of these because I want to make sure that these are going to work. Now, if these work well and can hold, you know, what I needed to hold, then I may go back and get a couple more. But anyway, I thought this was a really good deal because I know the one that I purchased from Lowe's was way more than $1.25. I think it was like $15 or something for it. Of course, it does hold, I think, 5 mops or handles or whatever, but I don't know. This was only $1.25, so I thought that was pretty cool. And I do like how it has this little hook here in the middle, so you can hang, you know, something there. Like here, they're showing that it's holding a duster. So I think that is really cool. I'm really, really hoping that this is going to work because at $1.25, that's a good deal. So on the back here, it does say, try our other cleaning tools. So they do have, you know, they show you everything that the Dollar Tree carries that's in this line, this Essentials line. So anyway, I was excited to find these, so I went ahead and grabbed those. So yeah, that is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because that helps me on YouTube. YouTube notices when people like my videos and they notice whenever you comment. It helps them to kind of recommend my videos for other people to watch, which really helps out my channel. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing because I would love to have you. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!